when I am having arithmetic expressions, I want to evaluate some arithmetic expression. Arithmetic expression का क्या मतलब हुआ? I have 2 plus 3 multiply by 4 plus 5 divide by 6. Supposedly some expression is existing, minus 2. So we want to evaluate this expression. User enters this in the form of a character string. मुझे इस string को evaluate करना है. So what I do is, since the form in which we write is operand, then operator, then again operand. This is the form in which we are writing 2 plus 3. So operand, operator, operand. So operator comes in between the operands. That is why this is known as infix expression. When operator comes in between the operands, it is known as infix expression. When the operator comes before the operands, जब हम ऑपरेटर को पहले लिखेंगे ऑपरेंड से, ऑपरेंड 1, ऑपरेंड 2, such an expression is known as prefix expression. इसका क्या मतलब है? हम प्लस को यहाँ लिखेंगे, फिर 2 लिखेंगे, फिर 3 लिखेंगे. This is prefix, or also known as Polish notation, given by, again named after the scientist whose name, a Polish scientist gave this, so that is why he named this as Polish notation. Then we have operand coming first, so I am having the first operand, operand 1, operand 2, and then I am having the operator. This is known as the postfix form of expression, when I am writing 2, 3, and then I am writing plus, or also known as reverse Polish notation. Reverse Polish notation. So to convert an infix expression into a postfix expression or a prefix expression, we use stacks. This is a very big application of using stacks. So again, if I have to write this arithmetic expression, तो infix से postfix conversion का क्या मतलब हुआ? हम पहले trying to do, this is an infix expression. Whatever we have done till date are all infix expressions. Now we are trying to convert infix into a postfix expression. So what we do? We will be solving from the innermost. 2, 3 plus operand, operator. ये हुआ 1, 4, 5 plus. अब I have to multiply these two. That means operand 1, operand 2. Although I don't need the brackets when I am writing the postfix, then I will get this multiply. This entire is the operand 1. This is 6 is the operand 2. So I will be writing 6 and I will be writing divide. Then this is my operand 1. Operand 2 is 2, then minus. This is the postfix form of given expression. अब ये हमने कैसे किया? Or how can we simply do it using stacks? That I will just tell you. So what we are doing here is, when we are trying to convert an expression from infix to postfix, there are some steps that I need to follow. So I am writing the steps. You will see हम using stacks करेंगे. Again I am saying what am I doing is operand 1, operand 2, then operator. पहले प्लस करोगे ना, फिर आप ये वाला प्लस करोगे क्योंकि पैरेंथेसिस में है. So operand 1, operand 2, operator. फिर इन दोनों को आपको मल्टीप्लाई करना है. So this is operand 1, this is operand 2, then operator. अब जो इसका रिजल्ट आया ये पूरा operand 1 है, उसे 6 से डिवाइड करना है. तो ये 6 operand 2 है, then operator. This entire resultant is operand 1, operand 2, and then operator. This is the postfix form of any expression. This conversion, infix to postfix, we can do using stacks. There are certain rules for this. Kindly let us see the rules very quickly. So the rules or steps that you need to follow while converting an expression from infix to postfix. Using stack, the conversion is happening using stack. So what you have to do is scan the entire expression, scan infix expression from left to right, left से लेके right तक आपको सारा expression scan करना है, left to right. After scanning the expression, what you have to do, आपको कोई एक symbol मिलेगा एक बार scan करने से. Supposedly फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट इन एस, हर बार एक सिंबल ले लिया आपने एस जिसमें आप स्कैन कर रहे हो रिपीटेडली. अब सिंबल क्या है उसके अकॉर्डिंग यू हैव टू डू दी वर्क. सो इफ when I try to convert an infix expression into a postfix expression, I scan the entire infix expression from left to right, one symbol by one symbol. That one symbol I am storing in S. Now, if the symbol S is operand, add it to the postfix expression. If the symbol is an opening parenthesis, push it onto the stack. If the symbol happens to be an operator, plus, minus, divide, multiply, anything, exponent, remainder, whatever the symbol is, check precedence of the symbol on the top of the stack. अगर टॉप ऑफ स्टैक पे ज्यादा या सेम प्रीसीडेंस का सिंबल है, देन पॉप इट एंड एड इट टू द एक्सप्रेशन. अदरवाइज करंट ऑपरेटर को आफ्टर डूइंग दिस push the current operator onto the stack. इसका क्या मतलब है? We'll see with an example. I'm again saying if the symbol is operator, then we want to push it onto the stack. But while pushing onto the stack,
ma'am, the screen is not clear.
Any operand we want to add to the expression, any operator we want to push it onto the stack. Now, if the operator is there and we are pushing, while pushing we have to check if there are already, जैसे अगर मुझे plus को push करना है और multiply is already there which is a higher precedence, or a minus is there which is same precedence, in that case I should pop them repeatedly, add them to the expression, then push S onto the stack. If there is nothing like that, then push S onto the stack. If there is a closing parenthesis, pop from the stack all operator, add to the postfix expression till opening parenthesis is encountered. And finally remove the opening parenthesis from the stack also. Now ये सब क्या लिखा हमने? Let us try to run this. Let us just quickly. Kindly mute yourself. So supposedly I am having an expression, say 2 plus 3 multiplied by 4 minus 5 divided by 6 minus 2. Still same expression supposedly which I had taken earlier. So now I have this stack. And I also happen to have the final expression that I am having. And I have the symbol which I am scanning, S. So I am initially scanning a opening parenthesis. Opening parenthesis is pushed onto the stack. Opening parenthesis push onto stack. Then I am scanning a 2. 2 है जब 2, 3, 4 any operand added to the expression. Then I'm scanning a plus operator, push onto the stack. कोई और operator है ही नहीं stack पे, so precedence need not be checked. Plus is added onto the stack. Expression is 2. Next symbol is 3. Operand added to the expression. Stack. Next symbol is a closing parenthesis. Now when you encounter a closing parenthesis, you have to pop from the stack and add it to the expression. Pop from the stack and add it to the expression. So you pop the plus from the stack and add it to the expression till you encounter a closing an opening parenthesis. Opening parenthesis आ गया, इसे भी हटा दिया, अब stack empty हो गया. This is the current expression. Next symbol is a multiply. When you get multiply, push it onto the stack. There is stack is empty, precedent need not be checked. Next expression is in opening parenthesis. Again push it onto the stack. Now you are pushing on the top. इससे पहले push नहीं हुआ है, इसके बाद में push हुआ है. You have to push on the top of the stack only. 4 is coming. Whenever operand is coming, directly add it to the expression. Minus is coming. You have to push. There is a now अगर minus directly multiply पे हमें insert करना होता, so we would have to pop it out. But since there is a parenthesis in between, we will directly insert it onto the stack. The expression remains the same. Next time after minus we have 5. 5 will be added to the expression again. Stack remains the same. After 5 we have a closing parenthesis. Closing parenthesis means we have to pop this and add it to the expression till a opening parenthesis is encountered, and remove the opening parenthesis also from the stack. After that, I have a divide. Now I have to push divide. Whenever operator is coming, I have to push it onto the stack. Now divide and multiply happen to have the same precedence. That means मुझे पहले multiply को I have to take it out, pop it from the stack, add it to the expression. So I add multiply to the expression and then I push this onto the stack. Then I have 6 operand is coming, add it to the expression. Then I have a minus. Now minus is again going to be inserted here, pushed onto the stack, but divide is having higher precedence than minus. I need to pop it out. So that I will pop it and add it to the expression, and sorry, divide is added here and minus is inserted onto the stack. I have 2 finally. Minus is still here. 2 will be added to the expression. Whatever is there in the stack will now be added to the expression, so that the final expression that I will get now, the final expression that I get is 2, 3 plus 4, 5 minus. This becomes my final postfix expression. This is how I am converting an infix to a postfix expression. Is it getting clear to all of you now? How do I check the precedence? So let me first tell you the precedence. So if I am going to check the precedence in a function, supposedly I take an integer precedence function and I am taking a character operator here, जिसकी मुझे precedence check करनी है. I am taking the integer p here, some value of precedence, and I am taking a switch on the operator. Case, what operators do I have? Power. This is having the highest precedence. कितने operator हैं? Let me tell you. This is a power exponential operator. Then I am having say multiply and divide. Then I am having a plus minus, and I am having other operators supposedly. ठीक है? So I am taking precedence 1, 2, 3, and 0. This is all I am taking here. So if this is a case of exponential, p equal to 3, break. If the case is a multiply or the case is a divide, in both the cases I am not having break in between. P is equal to 2, then break. If the case happens to be a plus or the case happens to be a minus, P is equal to 1, break. अगर opening parenthesis है या कुछ भी है, default case in that case, I am having P is equal to 0 and then again break. So this is my switch which is ended. I would return the value of the precedence operator P here. Is it now clear to all? How am I? Agar I am checking precedence of plus, so I will get 1. If I am checking precedence of 2, I will multiply or divide, I will get 2. So I have to check precedence of the operator that I am pushing should be less than the precedence of whatever is there on top of stack. So what I am trying to say over here is कि top of stack पे जो भी symbol है currently, उस symbol की operator की जो precedence है, that should be less than only, strictly less than the precedence of जो मुझे current operator push करना है. अगर ऐसा नहीं है, तो I will repeatedly pop till I reach that precedence level. Is it now clear? How am I checking precedence? Like in this case, when I was trying to add divide here, I was checking the precedence. Divide ki precedence is also 2. Multiply ki precedence is also 2. That means I have to pop it. Similarly, when I was trying to insert a minus over divide, minus precedence is 1. Divide precedence is 2. Again, higher precedence या same precedence का there है stack पे, तो I need to pop it. Is it now clear? Should I take one more example, smaller example? Let me just quickly take a smaller example for you. Supposedly I am having 4 multiplied by 5 plus 3 multiplied by 6, my small example, sorry, 6 divided by 3. Supposedly only this example I am taking, just for quick work. So the symbol that I am scanning, you need to see. What is the current stack, you need to see. And the final expression that you are getting. This is my postfix expression. So again here, I am scanning the symbol 4. Operand added to the expression. Multiply operator added to the stack. Operand added to the expression. Operator push it onto the stack. अब precedence check करोगे जिसे push करना है और उसकी. So plus की precedence is 1, multiply की precedence is 2. You cannot push it there. You have to pop it. So you need to pop multiply first, then push plus onto the stack. Now you have the next symbol is 6 added to the operand added to the expression. Again you have a divide now here. Now see, divide की precedence is 2, plus की precedence is 1. 2 has to be pushed over 1 allowed. Higher precedence lower precedence के over push हो सकता है. That means divide is pushed onto the stack. Expression remains the same. Now you have 3. 3 comes here, plus divide. You have 3 is added to the expression. At the end, generally what we do, we add opening and closing parenthesis, so that the opening parenthesis is always there, and now you will be getting closing parenthesis, so you will pop everything from the stack and this will be added. So the final expression that you will be getting is पहले divide pop होगा, फिर plus pop होगा. So this becomes my final postfix expression. Is the conversion from infix to postfix now clear to all of you? Yes, class. Anybody, any doubt?
Yes, ma'am.